If you've been wondering how to insert an image in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add an image to your survey so you can make your questions, instructions, or sections look more polished and engaging. This is really helpful if you want to add a logo, product photo, example screenshot, or any other visual that makes your survey easier to understand. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to open the survey you want to edit. If you already have a survey created, click on that survey from your dashboard. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new one and then follow the same process from there. The important thing is to get into the survey editor where you can add and edit content. Now that your survey is open, find the spot where you want to place the image. Move your cursor over the section or question where the image should appear. When you hover in the right area, you should see a plus icon appear. This plus button is what lets you insert new content into the survey. Click on the plus icon to open the available content options. From the menu that appears, click on text. Even though you're adding an image, SurveyMonkey uses the text block area as one of the places where media can be inserted. Once the text section opens, look for the image icon in the editing toolbar. This is the button you need to upload and place your image inside the survey. Next, click on the image icon. A file selection window will open, and this is where you can browse your computer for the image you want to add. Click Browse for an image, then locate the file on your device and select it. Make sure the image is the correct one before you confirm, especially if you're uploading a logo or an important visual that needs to match your survey content. After you've chosen the image, click OK to confirm your selection. SurveyMonkey will then prepare the image and place it into the survey editor. Take a quick moment to check how it looks on the page. If needed, you can make sure it appears in the right section and fits the layout you want. This is a good time to verify that the image looks clear and professional before saving. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Saving is important because it ensures the image is actually added to the survey and won't be lost when you leave the page. After you save, your image will now be part of your SurveyMonkey survey and visible wherever you placed it. And that's it. You now know how to insert an image in SurveyMonkey in just a few simple steps. You can use this method to make surveys more visually appealing, add helpful instructions, or include branding that makes your survey feel more polished. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.